So Telugu Warriors starting off with a bang in this game. Not putting any foot wrong. They are looking very smart on the field. They have picked up early wickets, affected a run out as well. And see that for some acrobatics. It's going to be Nand Kishore now. In fact, the bowler is doing a tremendous job. He's done well throughout the tournament. 4 matches, 6 wickets for him, averaging over 8. 4.82 his economy. And 4 for 9 his best. Replacing Vishwa. Completing his bowlers pretty nicely here. The captain Venkatesh. This is where he's really led the team very nicely. The planning has been good. The execution has been good. And that's the reason the results are coming for them in this tournament.
Yes, the side from Hyderabad, they are red hot at this moment. Growing in confidence, they're doing very well. Nand Kishore has replaced Vishwa. He'll get some runs. He finds the gap between short cover and point.
Back up.
They need to be more patient here, both these players. Jishu also went for his shot very early. It hardly settled down when he played that shot. Both Indranil and Joy, they need to understand the situation and then bat according to that. And the best way to go forward is to settle down. Look at getting those singles, wait for the loose balls, try and stitch some kind of a partnership here.
Slightly towards you. Still slightly towards.
Taking his guard here, Jeet, the captain of the Bengal Tigers. He's got a big responsibility on his shoulders at this stage. There is some movement, but a waiver delivery. That's a right call from the umpire. They've yielded some extras so far. Although they have picked up 3 very important wickets, extras moving on to 12 with a score of 20. 12 wide so far. That tells the story. But coming back to the surface, Sabah, you saw the wicket yesterday. There was a lot of grass covering. But here, this one, at times, looks to be a bit barren.
This is the first one, Joy, Atish drive straight to Adarsh. The second one was this run out, brilliant pick up and throw by Adarsh. Direct hit, bang. And then Jishu, vice captain, in the air. And Tarun, what a catch. So again wide, so extras are piling up. They need to be more disciplined here. Telugu Warriors, they're on top. They have sent 3 players back in the pavilion. But they need to exert more pressure. Venkatesh, the captain, won the toss, decided to field first. Similar kind of strategy adopted yesterday by him. He has immense faith in his players to chase down a target. Again a wide delivery. Very wayward here, Nand Kishore.
Yeah, absolutely. And the extras have really helped the cause of the Bengal Tigers team. 14 extras so far. Now that's one thing they really have to work on. They have done well throughout the tournament. That's a young guest in the stadium. Her name Meera. Once again striking the stumps. He's going for the third umpire. Looks to be a very tight call once again. It's all happening at the moment.
And it's the captain who's in trouble. He's at the danger end. They are very sharp. An accurate throw once again. Where is Jeet? Where is Jeet? Where is Jeet? Oh, is the bat in the air? We'll have to try and see it from the other angle. From here it looks like the bat is in air. Has he grounded it? This will give us a clear picture. The bails are off. Oh God, I think the bat is in the air. What do you think, Ajay?
Yeah, absolutely. You're on the button there, Sabah. He's gone for all money. He's struggling. The bat is in the air and the bails have come off for the groove. He's got to go back. This will be the second run out of this innings for Bengal Tigers, and that has been a cause of worry for them. The fielding has been tremendous. Charan Teja, the fielder, what an effort. And this is the right call from third umpire. You're losing another wicket. Bengal Tigers really looking down the barrel. They can't believe it. Losing the fourth wicket.
And it's the captain Jeet who walks back after scoring only one. Is 23 for 4 Bengal Tigers.
The fourth over in progress, and Bengal Tigers have lost 4 very important wickets. That really tells the story for them. पर क्या शानदार शुरुआत यहाँ पे की है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने. गेंदबाजी अच्छी रही है, फील्डिंग में वो पैनापन नजर आ रहा है, डायरेक्ट हिट कर रहे हैं स्टंप्स को, और ये थी वो आखिरी विकेट. बहुत ही बढ़िया एफर्ट चरण तेजा का. इतना आसान नहीं रहता पिकअप और सीधा थ्रो स्टंप्स पे.
हालत तो कुछ ज्यादा ही गंभीर हो गई यहाँ पर बंगाल टाइगर्स की, और इस समय इस प्रकार के रन लेने की आवश्यकता है नहीं. थोड़ा कम आंक रहे हैं यहाँ पर बंगाल टाइगर्स के बल्लेबाज वॉरियर्स की फील्डर्स को. एक एक्यूरेट थ्रो इसके पहले हम लोग देख चुके थे, शानदार फील्डिंग तरुण की देख चुके हैं, और उसके ऊपर से फिर से कुछ उस प्रकार का रन लेने का प्रयास किया था. हवा में बॉल शॉट.
चल
24 for 4 after 4 overs.